Welcome back. Let's do question 413. Solve for x. We're given the exponential equation. We have to write 32 as a product of its prime factors. So this is 1 over 2 and 3x plus 1 is the exponent is equal to 2 to the power 5. Right now the bases are still not the same, but remember that 1 over x to the power n is equal to x to the power negative n. So it means this can be written as 2 to the power negative 1. Okay, then 3x plus 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5. And then we can distribute the negative 1 there. So it becomes 2 to the power negative 1 times 3x is negative 3x. Negative 1 times 1 is negative 1 is equal to 2 to the power 5. Now the bases are the same. We can equate the exponents. So therefore, negative 3x minus 1 is equal to 5. And then we can transpose negative 1 to the right hand side. Negative 3x is equal to 6. Then divide by negative 3. Then becomes x is equal to negative 2. Okay, that's what we're supposed to do there.